Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the SEO audit and report card software. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to log in, you're going to see a dashboard, and you can click on create new report. So you create a new report, you put in your website URL, your Facebook page URL, Twitter, and how often you want the data to update. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put in just one of our sites here, just put in one of our Facebook pages, I'll put in a Twitter profile, and then now obviously I would probably do something like every 14 or 30 days. You probably don't need to do it every single day, but then you click on create new report. Now this is going to take a little bit of time because it's going out and it's fetching all sorts of data. So what I'll do is I'll just pause this video and come back in a few minutes once it's done processing. Okay, so we're back and it fetched all the data, and so I just refresh the page and you'll see now it says view report, or you can go back to the old settings and you can delete it. So we'll view the report, and as you can see, it created the audit and report card. So you'll see that you have your overall SEO score based on all of the data. We have a custom algorithm that was built based on all of this data, and you can actually go to these quick links and see traffic estimation, social networks, page speed, mobile analysis, on-page SEO factors, off-page SEO factors, and then just other miscellaneous things related to search engine optimization. And so and I'll just kind of walk you through this report. So it shows you your load time. This is under 1 second. It'll show 0 seconds, which is great. Show you the IP address, pulling your Alexa popularity rank, your Alexa popularity by country, and then also some compete information in terms of the number of unique visitors that you're getting to your site, and it gives you a whole year worth of data there. Then it goes through all of the social networks, so the number of Facebook shares, the number of likes, comments, tweets, Google Plus shares. It tries to find a Facebook page if it can. Same thing with Twitter, last time you posted, if there's a link in the description. Okay. Then it goes through page speed stuff. So it talks about avoiding landing page redirects, things to compress the file. So this is kind of like technical stuff that you could give to a developer so they understand how to further improve the overall speed of a site. Then it talks about browser caching, and if you're leveraging browser caching, reducing server response time, minify CSS. This is just kind of some technical things. Same thing with HTML and JavaScript. So it goes through all the different page speed, and then you can click on mobile analysis, and it goes through if it found any flash, because obviously mobile cannot render flash on mobile devices. Then you have on-page SEO factors, so it'll show you the title tag, if there's a description. Doesn't look like there's a meta description tag or a meta keyword here. The H1 tags, how many images there are, if they're missing any alt tags, if there's any iframes, which obviously search engines cannot crawl. Okay, and then the text to HTML ratio. And then it goes through and analyzes all of the keywords on the page. So the number of times that it uses specific keywords, if that keyword is in the title and the description, and if it's an H tag on your site. Okay, then you have 1 word, two words, 3 words, 4 words, and then a keyword cloud just based on all of the keywords combined. Okay. Then you have your on-page outbound link, so it shows you the number of do follow versus no follow links. It'll show you anchor text. Now this is obviously an image, and if it's an internal or external link, and if it's a do follow or no follow tag on each link. Then also if the www resolves or not. Okay, and there's little question marks next to each to kind of give you a little bit of a better summary. If you have a robots text file, if you have an XML sitemap, okay, if you're using underscores in your URLs, okay, then it goes to off-page SEO factors. So the dates it was created. Now sometimes we're not able to pull that depending on if it's a private domain or not. It'll tell you page rank, the number of pages indexed in Google, number of pages indexed in Bing, okay, and then just some general information like the IP address, if it has Google Analytics installed, if it's found on schema.org, if there's a favicon icon, if it's listed in any spam directories, if the email address is listed on the page. So there's a lot of data that you can obviously pull here, and this is great just to look at this stuff from a glance and see if there's any glaring issues. This is great for client work and internal work as well. Now, when you go back to the dashboard, we are going to be adding an export button. So if you want to export this to PDF and send it to a client, you can do that as well. So hopefully by the time you do see this video, we will have that. But as you can see, guys, it's a fairly easy application to work with. All you need to do is just put in a few fields of information, and then the application will do the rest. So that is the SEO audit and report card.